Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to rename your wallet in Ton Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Ton Keeper application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, select the wallet which you want to rename. Click on this box here and select the wallet from here. Now, go to the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can see your wallet name. Click on the Customize button. Now, select on the field and delete the old wallet. After that, type in the new wallet name. And you can also choose the icon for this. Click on the wallet and select any icons from here. And click on Save button. So that is how you can rename your wallet in Ton Wallet application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.